What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So a lot of people are wondering, what's going on with Terra Luna Classic right now. It is absolutely pumping, up 17% right now. We got a few things to get into for y'all that are following along. Let's take a look, man. This is why I tell y'all not to be afraid of those dips, because you can the very next day see something like a 10 to 20% gain, which what we're seeing right now unfold. So let's take a closer look. So we got right now Terra up 17.2% at that 35 level right now. Let's take a closer look at the chart. Then let's take a look into, why is this happening? So we got some of our indicators: Bollinger Band, RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and taking a look. Yesterday we seen the price fall and meet right along that support, where I told y'all that it confirmed with this area of resistance that we were seeing here. So I told you it was likely to see a bounce from people buying in at that level. Also, it's a good sign that the MACD hasn't even crossed over this orange line yet, which tells us it could still possibly have some room to go up. RSI at a 56, moving towards that over bought level, but not quite overbought yet, especially once some of the FOMO starts to kick in. And we've been seeing people get more and more excited with Terra Luna Classic. So this is primed for one of those FOMO types of projects. Here normally we could see the price taper off just a little bit to come and retest the mid Bollinger Band range again, which is around that 29,000 level. But I think a lot of people may likely FOMO. Could the price continue to pull back with overall market conditions? Yes, it's possible. But we got to remember, this is a meme play at this point. This is Terra Luna Classic. A lot of people are gonna just FOMO into this. So let's take a look at volume. We can see volume is up nicely. It did pull back some, but we did see the volume pick up from the last few days where it was previously. So that's a good sign as well. Let's also take a look at some of the information that is going on right now. So breaking info: Binance currently holds over 35% of the Luna Classic supply. Binance needs to see the community wants the 1.2% burn for them to implement it on their exchange. We really need this. So if you like this, like and retweet it. So we're going to retweet that. So this is what a lot of people are expecting and anticipating, to get an announcement that all the major exchanges will be that whole Luna Classic will be participating or allowing that 1.2% burn tax. That is very, very bullish for the token. And to even know that Binance holds 35% of the supply, that is absolutely bullish as well. That means they haven't gave up on this project, that they're going to likely continue to support it. So that's a good sign that we're looking for. Classy says Binance currently makes up 50% now of Luna Classic volume. So Binance is doing a lot of transactions right now, whether it be buying or selling. They're moving a lot of Luna Classic right now, over half of the supply. As a central exchange, they support the 1.2% Luna Classic burn on chain, but not off chain yet. So keep that in mind. He also says we have 7 days left for CZ Binance to let the people know the people want the fire or the burn. He also says many central exchanges are backing the 1.2% Luna Classic burn. What people don't realize yet is that will amount to trillions in the future. Let others know. Like and retweet to spread the message. Let's go and retweet that as well. So here's the list of the different exchanges that are doing the burn mechanism. So Mexi Global is going to have on and off chain. CoinN is going to have on and off chain. KuCoin is going to have on and off chain. Binance on chain. Gate.io on chain. LBank on chain. So once we can convince these major exchanges to also add it off chain, that is going to really help speed up that the reduction of the supply, which we need for the price to continue to go higher. So that's very exciting to see right there. Also, let's see, did this pass already? 15th, no. So Luna Classic AMA, you should never miss. Join us for an AMA with Vegas Morph, Terra Rebels community lead, and Edward Kim, Terra Technology professor, 2 p.m. UTC on September 5th. So follow, retweet, and tag your friends. Join 10 lucky people who receive 30 USDT each. So I'll retweet this for y'all that want to check this out and attend it. There's the link. Haley says, am I the only one who still believes in Luna Classic? Rex says Luna community, the second biggest crypto exchange, KuCoin, knows how to engage with the community. Don't forget to mark your calendars for the upcoming AMA with Ed and Vegas Morph. I'm proud of my team and how far we've come. So that's an official update from KuCoin as well. So make sure if y'all are interested, y'all tune in to that. We will be covering that as well. Luna from 0.00004 to 0.0005 correction to 0.0003, then pump to 0.001 bullish. So a lot of people are excited right now. But basically, you know, this is why you don't be afraid of the dips. You know, you want to take advantage of those buying opportunities. When you see the price down on some of your favorite assets, don't be afraid. There's a saying, when the market is fearful, to be greedy, and when the market is greedy, be fearful. Because most likely when everyone is running away from these prices, running away from the asset, likely we're near the bottom, and likely that's when smart money will step in and push the prices higher. But because most people don't understand that, you know, their psychology tells them to not buy or to, you know, sell during this time. The smart money gets in, but then once they see the price action moving from all the smart money entering, then they come and FOMO back in. FOMO just stands for fear of missing out, for y'all that wondering what that means. So they have the fear of missing out, and they jump back in on top of all the smart money. And then, you know, what happens as the price continues to go up, smart money takes their money out, and now the people who invested after, you know, their values are brought down a little. So keep that in mind. That's all we got for this video. Just wanted to keep y'all updated. We're about to do the live stream right after this. Make sure you got the notifications on. I'm December DeMarco. Check the links in the description section of this video, and we are